We're rolling.
Right now, I'm with Fortuna and Cindy. I had a goal this week. Actually going to write an article too on hyperthyroidism. I was going to interview her next week when I got back, a lady who had hyperthyroidism, age 80, completely went away. And I said, you know what, maybe I'll find someone here. Guess what? Explain what you had. Explain, good. This is Fortuna.
About 10 years ago, I was vegetarian, and I was feeling tired and sick. I wasn't feeling so good, but I thought I was doing something good. And I started to be, I said, let's go, I have to go to the doctor to see what I have. So she said to me, you have hyperthyroidism, and I'm going to prescribe you this pill, and you can take it all your life, and then you're going to be fine.
What do you think about that?
So she gave me...
As a doctor to be, what do you think about that?
I don't think that's not getting to the root of the problem.
She never wanted to.
She never asked the root for that. Now what happened?
She gave me the prescription.
She gave a prescription.
I went out of the office, and I went, and the nurse said to me, "Oh, this is it. Oh, you're taking this you're going to take this medication." I said, "I don't know. I just don't feel good." And the doctor's giving me this. She said, "Well, I take it, and it's okay. It's good. The only thing is that my eyes bulge. Well, your eyes will be bulging, maybe. And not too many side effects." I said, "What?" I went out and I just ripped the prescription, and I researched, and I found out that if I go on a vegan diet I was vegetarian, eating chicken, no, not chicken, cheese and sugar, So I went complete healthy plant-based. I took away the dairy and the sugar from my diet, and I wasn't eating a lot. I was eating a little bit because I was aware.
Yeah.
But I didn't want to do it all the way. But when I did it all the way, after 3 months, I went back to the doctor, and I didn't have anything. It's been 10 years that I go every year to check.
That's amazing.
And I feel great.
You know, because hyperthyroidism affects a lot of women.
Yeah.
Forever. And a lot of times they have their thyroid cut out.
Yeah.
They do.
Yeah. And
They do. Not men, so much men, but most of the women. Yeah. So tell all these women what to do, okay?
So what I would do...
Hear this, women of America with thyroid issues, hear it. Good.
Listen, the most important thing is to go plant-based. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, if you eat whole grains. But the best one is the raw. Eat mostly raw or completely raw. And you will see great results. I have energy. I'm a great-grandmother. I'm 71 years old.
71 years old.
And I feel great.
Super great.
Super great.
Super great. Rock and roll great.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll great.
Oh, so sweet. Dad, you're
I'm 70 years old too, and I asked this 20-year-old girl out, she said yes.
you can make friends. I was like,
What is that about?
That's the result.
What do you think about all this?
I think that's definitely the way to go. I agree.
And I didn't have to take any medicine.
Yeah,
No medicine.
Look at that.
Yeah, thyroid affects everyone. I mean, it affects mostly women.
Mostly.
Anyway, plant-based diet should do it. Bye. Live from Woodstock. Bye.
Love.